We can say it's reshaping the portable gaming because Microsoft and Asus have teamed up to unveil the Asus ROG Xbox Ally, a sleek new handheld console that blends Xbox's powerful gaming ecosystem with Asus's hardware expertise. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. The gaming world's already buzzing with anticipation as the official launch date is set for October 16th, when both the Xbox Ally and its premium sibling, Xbox Ally X, are scheduled to hit the market. The Xbox Ally is designed to let players take their favorite games on the go, whether it's Claire Obscure Expedition 33, Gears of War Reloaded, Lies of P, or South of Midnight, all in the same device. The Ally is powered by AMD's Ryzen Z2, a processor which is engineered for both performance and power consumption. Combined with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, the device promises console-quality gameplay in a compact design. Microsoft isn't stopping there. To ensure gamers have the best possible experience on the new platform, they're also launching a handheld compatibility program. This initiative will tell which games are optimized for the Xbox Ally lineup and which are not, to ensure smoother performance, better visuals, and better control. Not only this, the Xbox Ally aims to go beyond simple portability. Microsoft is working on features like auto super resolution, intuitive controller pairing, and optimized display output, paving the way for seamless transitions between handheld and big screen gaming setups. As the gaming world waits for official pre-order details and final pricing, one thing is clear, that the Asus ROG Xbox Ally is shaping up to be a serious competitor in the handheld and is ready to challenge competitors and take portable gaming to new heights. According to numerous leaks, the Xbox Ally will debut at $699 and the top-of-the-line Xbox Ally X model at $1,049. While these figures are mere speculations, Microsoft has affirmed that it will announce pricing and pre-order information in the coming weeks. Xbox is said to be launched in countries like Australia, Canada, Saudi Arabia, UK, and UAE. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.